What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Mucho with Dream Motorsports checking in for a small video. I just want to show you guys which way you want to tackle pretty much wrapping the indentation of the door handle. This is going to apply for pretty much any car, Charger, Camaro, Mercedes-Benz, any of them that has that little piece right here when you're wrapping it, and it gets to this point here. The first thing you want to do is going to have your wrapping glove on. Number one, you're going to heat up this area. Pay attention that I'm moving, I'm up close, but I'm moving. So what I'm doing right now, I'm softening up the vinyl. Once the vinyl is soft, after about 10 seconds, you're gonna take your middle finger, index finger, and you're gonna push down hard and go right up the middle. Boom. Then you're gonna take that finger, you're just gonna slide across this way. And then you see the line of the actual door handle is exposed right there. Once you get to that point, you're gonna put heat again up close. You're gonna just go over your work. And then you just trim it and we're done here. When you're trimming, you wanna give yourself about 1 centimeter of space so that when you actually fold it in, you're gonna fold it inside. You don't want to cut right on the line because it can always peel back. And I'm also gonna be doing a time lapse, so as soon as I'm done trimming and heating, just refer to the time lapse for the slow down version or up close version. But just put a little heat and you're done.
No sé, Luis, no había nadie ahí. Pero oye, cambia los datos también.
No, ahí está todo el mecánico.
Sí, cambia los
Deberías de
datos.
poner ese video en el TikTok para que te hagas famoso, güey. Como el mucho, güey. Tiene videos de 1.000.000 de vistas, güey. ¿Sí lo has visto al mucho en TikTok o no?
Bien.
A él, ¿sí lo has visto en TikTok?
Tiene bloqueado más bien.
Me tiene bloqueado este güey.